Atongoi Ngaliko ya Ulei Nimatula Muti Silikali kwa Kuleela Kutuumania Muuo na Muno kula Kwina Ndambuka si Atongoi Ngaliko ya Ulei Maineena Aandiki Mauvoo Matongoewe ni Mutongoi wa ungwatano ya Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka Atongoi Nimaweta Kana Akenya Mena Uthasyo wake katiba Meutwaiisya Mbumbano na ila Kwenda isione inde Selikali ithito thinenga uthimbo lili kwete ithoko cia kiuteti tanzie mwe ya kumavindithia Atongoi yangi ni makula nzama nyumbani mevaka IEBC kwigithia kana ni atwaisya nyumbani wina umelu kilioni bunge cha Olkalau mateo kwitikila kulikilwa ni Atongoi ala Serikalini mwaka mwoni mwandiki witu
Atongoi cia Ulei Atongoi ni Kalonzo Musyoka ni ciagemea na ulumu ciiko cia ithoko ile inakusiwe kaundini ya Nyandarua undumwe na kaundini ya Kisumu la Atongoi maukava wa kiuteti walina mwananchi Maineena Ndambuka kaundini isu wala mathingilila Uthasyo wa nthi wa kuvulana na kumbana na ula unenganitwe ni katiba.
The disturbing scenes witnessed in Kisumu and Nyahururu over the weekend should concern every Kenyan regardless of political affiliation. They point to a dangerous and growing pattern of political violence that threatens our constitutional democracy, national cohesion, and the rule of law. The Constitution of Kenya guarantees every citizen the right to assemble peacefully, associate freely, move without intimidation, and participate in political life. These rights belong equally to those in government and those in opposition. No Kenyan should fear attending a church service, a political meeting, or any lawful public gathering.
Gunism has no place in Kenya now or ever or forever. Kenya will not become another Haiti. We know you send our boys there, maybe to learn, to benchmark, and we are beginning to see evidence of Haiti type of gangsterism in our country every day. We will not accept it. Our answer to violence must never be more violence. Our answer must be justice, constitutionalism, and the rule of law.
Kalonzo jingini waweta kana ithoko cia kiuteti na ila ciendeva nthi ya Kenya ni ciekumisya nthi kwa kumanangia biashara cio kulicha mwikanthini wa mituo ya umbulili na vala wa makani ateti kweka kuothothe ithoko isu.
All these state officers, we should not engage in politics. And you know it. You know it is in the Constitution. And you are out there. You are distributing relief food, you are giving mattresses. Yeah, blatant abuse of office and the electoral code of conduct. We are watching, wazalendo wenzetu. Do not allow yourselves to become instruments of violence on behalf of any political interest. Refuse to be recruited into gangs. Refuse to retaliate against fellow citizens. These are your brothers and sisters.
It is traders whose businesses are looted, border riders whose motorcycles are burnt, families who lose loved ones, and young people who are recruited into criminality, while those who incite them retreat to safety.
Ingi Atongoi ya Ulei ni makulianza mayo nyumbani na mevaka IEBC kwikithia kana ni atwaisya nyumbani munini wa Olkalau kulikililwa vindane kuma ikuli maofisa Mauvoo lizi Kutuumania Muuo nyumbani ni usu.
This for Mr. Efcon, we are telling it to you directly and your team. If you bungle Olkalau, Kenyans have absolutely no reason to hold you in high esteem. You have the opportunity to prove you are not a William Ruto commission, that you are Kenyan Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. And secondly, your capacity to hold a free and fair and credible general election will actually be put to test.
Ilivotia vilingi wa Mauvoo nitoa mwaka mweu.